Hi, good evening, friends. My name is Advocate Ajay, and I'm here today. I'm going to cover the important topic of intellectual property right. So, my friends, whenever we are filing a trademark applications, we are very much excited. Baba, we are going to be creating a new brand identity, or a brand identity, or a product identity. So, as an attorney, what is the important role which we have to play while filing an application? My dear friends, yeah, mm, first of all, we have to set our mind very well that key we are going to have a very tough competition when we are going to file an application, because if there is any close discrepancies or close similarity existing with your bigger brand, definitely you are going to face an opposition at a later stages. Because as a new startup or a new businesses are growing, if you are getting a small client, so they have a very limited budget for that trademark application. So once you take their budget, you allocate them particular budget for filing an application, and if you charge them with that particular amount, and if you are not able to get succeeded in that particular application, it is going to be like a backfire situation for you. So what are the basic measure or basic precaution which we should take care to when we are filing an application for a small enterprises or the startup enterprises? The basic concept is to have a detailed search. Detailed search will assist you to get minimum objection and minimum queries during the preliminary objections. Preliminary objections are going to cover with the data search. Data search by the registrar, means the trademark registrar will search the data, existing trademark, and they will locate, or they will find the similarity with respect to the existing marks. So this is going to be a first. Second is that they will look for similar classes in which there is the phonetical pronunciation, or there is a suffix or prefix which is getting mixed or fired with each other. Means there is a similarity with respect to the name if they are shuffled with each other. Like if I will say red chili, I mean, there is a red chili. Then if you are filing an application with chili red or green red chili, so any of the words, if there is a similarity or existence of the word in that particular application, then preliminary objection will be there. No matter, it can be easily resolved after the reply, but concern is that you will face the objections. So after the objection is resolved and your application is proceed, your major hurdle comes in the during the opposition, because there are big companies who have hired big attorneys just to file an opposition. So their duty is nothing, just to find the similarities and file an opposition. Once their opposition is filed, your difficulty as a small enterprises or a medium scale enterprises or startup arises, because once every objection you have to file a detailed reply with your evidence and everything. Means your mark is being halted for 2 years, 3 years, unless and until your argument or the detailed discussion or a trial is carried by the registrar. So definitely, how you are going to bypass that is by with the way of detailed search. Once you have carried the detailed search, definitely you will be in a knowledge that which are the existing bureau mark which can create an opposition or can file an opposition against your mark. So that definitely you will be ensuring that your logo or your design, your phonetics, or your name doesn't go that similarity to that particular brand or that particular company's name or a word mark or a product. So my friends, I will always assist you to go with a detailed search. While carrying a detailed search, please carry a in-depth detailed search with respect to existing brand and also the brand which are already there, because there are the few brands which are there in the trademark, but they are least bother about filing an opposition. But there are few companies that are big companies, and they will definitely file an opposition. So to bypass that particular difficulty to arise in the subsequent time, better to have a detailed search done. Thank you.